Welcome to this new tutorial. Today, we're in the Axis Pro mobile app, where you'll learn how to log in, take a quick tour of the app, and change your password. First, go to the login screen of the Axis Pro mobile app. Enter your email address and password to sign in. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the main screen, where at the bottom of the screen, you'll find the navigation menu with the sections Home, Calendar, Invoices, and Clients, allowing you to move quickly through the app. In the top left corner, you'll see the three-line icon that opens the main menu. When you tap it, the options Profile, Settings, and Help will appear. From the Settings section, you can enable or disable notifications, select the app language, and configure your rates according to your needs. If you return to the menu and go into Profile, you'll find the option to edit or change your password. Simply enter your current password, type the new password, confirm it, and save the changes. This way, your access to Axis Pro will be updated quickly and securely.
And with that, you now know how to log in to the Axis Pro mobile app, explore its main sections, and change your password quickly and securely. You're ready to start using Axis Pro from your phone with full control. See you in the next tutorial.